So I've got one class that maybe I can see it, right? Like it's not there all the time, but every once in a while there's that flash, and they make that connection, and they really bring it up to the high level. But most of the time they're just like, what are we doing? We're making pinball machines? Okay, we're making pinball machines. It's just, it's real hit and miss with that particular group. So that's why it's kind of attracted to the Accorda method.
At the start of this, it felt like they were giving us special treatment for no really good reason.
We do and have done a lot of problem-based learning, but we didn't have the scaffolding to be able to successfully pull it off every time. And so what I saw in the Accorda method was the opportunity to use somebody else's experience to learn from that and put in all the pieces so that we could make it successful every time. That's our goal.
We're working with it's called the Dream Center. It's a faith-based outreach.
My name is Matt George, and I'm the Short North campus pastor here at Rock City Church. It also partners directly with the Columbus Dream Center. We got to introduce to the Scholar Programs an initiative for the next 2 weeks to really see how us as a Dream Center can make progress to end homelessness, but also maybe how we can add programs, maybe take away programs, just to better impact this community.
I had not known any of this before. What I learned from this experience, like, that just can't go away, that information, especially considering the fact that these are real people and they're going through the situations, and I was able to at least come up with an idea to help them.
We got into it, and it was like really deep, and it actually did require like a high level of like maturity and intellect.
A lot of times during school, right, you have questions that you just read from the back of a book, you know, and everyone already knows the answer, so it's not as fun or engaging because you're like, oh, you know the answer, I'm just trying to find it. One of the most surprising things I thought was the concentration of like unfortunate events within the homeless community. You know, a lot of them have disabilities, substance abuse, but I realized that there were so many different factors to this and so many different reasons that people are homeless. And it was really surprising to find, you know, all the different reasons and sometimes how hard it can be to tackle all of them at once. When you're thinking about how this could actually impact people's lives, you get a lot more serious, you take the project more seriously, and allows you to get much more productive answers.
And it wasn't like a hypothetical situation, this was like a real life problem. We can help the community, and it like helps us as well, and not in the traditional, you know, learn this and then spit it back at us kind of way. Like, really use your own skills, like build up your own ideas and then present it to people, which they might actually implement.
I hope they're confident in their ability to problem solve. I hope we've increased their civic awareness. I want them to feel like they can be part of the solution. That in 8th grade, at 12, 13 years old, that they can in fact make a difference.